The African landscape teems with iconic creatures, but few inspire such awe as the hippopotamus. These massive herbivores, the third largest land mammals, are a true spectacle. Their presence shapes the rivers and lakes they call home. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the hippopotamus. Hippos, despite their bulk, are remarkably adapted to their environment. They are graceful swimmers and can hold their breath for astonishing periods. Their impact on their ecosystem is profound. They are architects of the waterways, their grazing and movement shaping the landscape. Hippopotamuses are undeniably imposing creatures. Their barrel-shaped bodies can reach lengths of 10 to 16 feet. Adults weigh in at an impressive 3,000 to 9,900 pounds. Their skin, while thick and leathery, is surprisingly sensitive. It secretes a reddish fluid, often mistaken for blood, that acts as a natural sunscreen and moisturizer. Their most striking feature is their enormous mouths. They possess sharp incisors and canines, the latter growing up to 19 inches long. These teeth are formidable weapons used for defense and battles for dominance. Despite their size, hippos are surprisingly agile on land. They can run at speeds of up to 19 miles per hour in short bursts. The hippopotamuses are highly social animals, living in groups called pods or bloats. These groups can range in size from a few individuals to over 100. They're primarily active at night, spending their days wallowing in rivers and lakes to stay cool. Water is essential for their survival. They are surprisingly strong swimmers and can hold their breath for an average of 5 minutes. Their nostrils close when submerged, and they can even sleep underwater, surfacing instinctively to breathe. Their diet consists mainly of grass, which they graze on at night, consuming up to 80 pounds in a single feeding session. Despite their herbivorous diet, hippos are among the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are fiercely territorial, especially when it comes to protecting their young. Their size and weaponry make them formidable opponents. Hippos are responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than any other large animal. Their unpredictable nature and aggressive displays, such as gaping jaws and charging, are a clear warning to keep a safe distance. Boats are particularly vulnerable as hippos may perceive them as threats, leading to potentially fatal encounters. Section 5. Social structure and species, two sides to the hippo. Within their pods, hippos maintain a complex social hierarchy. Dominant males, recognizable by their size and scars, control access to females and prime territory. Females, responsible for raising the calves, form strong bonds with their offspring. There are two distinct species of hippopotamus, the common hippopotamus and the pygmy hippopotamus. The pygmy hippo, as its name suggests, is significantly smaller, reaching only about 5 feet in length. Pygmy hippos are solitary creatures inhabiting the forests of West Africa. Section 6. Conservation, protecting the giants. Despite their formidable nature, hippopotamus populations face growing threats. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, agriculture, and deforestation is a major concern. Climate change, leading to prolonged droughts, further exacerbates the situation. Poaching for their meat and ivory teeth remains a persistent problem. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, anti-poaching patrols, and raising awareness about the importance of these magnificent creatures. International cooperation and sustainable practices are crucial to ensuring the survival of hippos for generations to come. Section 7. Fun facts, surprising insights. Hippos are surprisingly vocal, communicating with a variety of grunts, snorts, and honks. Their calls can be heard both above and below water. Despite their size, hippos are surprisingly fast swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. Hippo milk is pink due to the presence of a pigment called hipposudoric acid. A hippo's yawn, often mistaken for a sign of tiredness, is actually a threat display. Hippos are closely related to whales and dolphins, sharing a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago. Section 8. Conclusion, the future of the river giants. Hippopotamuses are integral to the health of African ecosystems. Their presence shapes the landscape and influences the lives of countless other species. However, their future hangs in the balance. It is our responsibility to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive. By understanding their needs and supporting conservation efforts, we can help secure a future where the rivers of Africa echo with the sounds of the mighty hippopotamus. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more wildlife content.